The Invent King Innovation DL Advanced Digital Cable Wire and Valve Locating System is an all-new wire tracing instrument from Invent King Innovation. The components of the Invent King Innovation DL include a high-sensitivity receiver, ground stake, inductive clamp, AC adapter, direct hookup leads, audio headset, and a powerful transmitter unit, which is built into the carrying case. Replacement parts are also available. The advanced digital display on both the transmitter and the receiver allow the operator to switch between 3 modes of locating: direct connect mode, broadcast mode, and inductive clamp mode. With the high-sensitivity receiver, the Invent King Innovation DL is able to detect buried energized line. Unlike conventional wire tracing systems, the addition of an induction clamp allows for the safe tracing of underground wires without having to deactivate the system, saving time and effort. The digital displays allow the operator to customize the Team DL to their own personal preferences, such as choosing null versus peak tones, sequential beeping versus sustained tone, as well as a display contrast and brightness for low light situations. Save battery power with the included AC wall adapter, or by programming your unit to auto shut off at 15, 30, or 60 minutes. To learn more information about the Invent King Innovation DL wire and valve locating system, or other Invent King Innovation products, visit us online at invent.com/kinginnovation.